Google Keep is a free and simple to use reminder app. It allows you to take notes, create checklists, draw pictures, or attach images as reminders for general organization. To create a basic note, just click on Take a Note. Keep gives you space to write out your note and title it as well. At the bottom of the note, there are additional options to help customize and optimize it. Just like Google Calendar, you can set reminders for your notes. Google Keep recommends common dates, but it also lets you set your own date or time. You can even pick a place as a reminder, and Keep will use your GPS location to inform you when you're close enough to that location and it's related to a specific note. Google makes everything collaborative, so you can share your note or list with others. These collaborators can access and edit the notes, lists, and even drawings. When a collaborator is added, they're emailed right away, similar to how you share Google Workplace documents or calendar events. You can change the color of your notes and lists. This makes it very easy to visually organize your Google Keep, or at least make it look a lot prettier. You can add a picture to any note or checklist. This image can come from your computer, or students can even use their phones to take photos of a class note, of a homework assignment shared on the board, and then upload it directly to their Keep. All notes and checklists can be archived when you've completed them, but you don't wish to delete them quite yet. This is a great way to keep track of previous reminders while keeping your Keep clean. If this is an important note and you don't want to get it lost in the depths of your Google Keep, you can pin it to the top of the page. When your note is complete and formatted as you like it, click Close and it'll save to your Google Keep. All of your notes and checklists will appear in your Google Keep all together, either through your browser on your computer or your Google Keep app on your phone or tablet. Any pinned notes will remain up top. The others will organize themselves below. Any of these notes can be turned into a checklist using the menu, or you can start a checklist by clicking on the checklist icon up top. Instead of writing out your notes information in paragraph form, the checklist acts more like bullet points or individual chunked tasks. This is helpful for breaking down or chunking those expectations. To add a new list item, either click on the plus symbol or hit enter after typing your last list item. Just like any other note, you can make many edits. This includes changing the color, pinning the list to the top of your Keep, or adding collaborators. When your list is complete, click Close to save it. To delete a note instead of archiving it, click on the vertical ellipses and click Delete. That ellipses is universal in Google as a menu access button. In case you delete your note on accident, Google Keep even gives you a chance to undo it. A Google Keep list is a great option for students to create a digital and shareable daily homework and expectation list. Students may not always remember to add to their paper-based planner, but they always have and regularly access their phones. Another great application of Google Keep is a missing homework list. As students complete the assignments, they and their collaborators can check those assignments off the list. This is a great way for teachers, case managers, parents to keep an eye on their students' progress. That vertical ellipses menu has some other options that can always be applied to any note or list as well. You can delete a note, change the note's labels for organization, add a drawing, make a copy of a list, which is very helpful if a student's daily homework overlaps into or needs to be completed on the next day. You can hide the checkboxes and turn your list into a basic note, or copy the whole note to Google Docs. All notes are editable by all collaborators, and all lists can be checked off by all collaborators. When you check something off the list, it drops to the bottom, so you can still see it, but you can see that it's been accomplished. It can be unclicked and returned to the list at a later time if need be. These notes and lists are easy to customize, meaning that you can make them into anything you'd like and help you and your students organize information based on your individual needs.